الناس تختلف المبادئ والقيم.
Assalamu alaikum. Today is the 14th of September. We are here in Kafarjalis area in Jigsaw Village 2.0. We are examining the latest developments in this project, which is dedicated to people affected by the recent earthquake. Our purpose here is to provide you with an update on the progress of the construction works. Let's see. Here are some figures about the project. Alhamdulillah, we finished foundation and block building of all the blocks. Cement wall plastering, we completed 90 blocks. Roof pouring, alhamdulillah, we completed 122 blocks. There are only 3 blocks need to be poured. Cladding with Aleppo stone, alhamdulillah, we completed 100 block. Plumbing and electrical installations, we completed 95 blocks. Floor pouring with cement, alhamdulillah, we completed 45 blocks. This project, brothers, wasn't possible without your generous donations. Please keep donating, keep supporting this great project. Your donations will help alleviate the suffering of displaced people and people affected by the recent earthquake, and bring them a little bit stability and humanity. May Allah accept from you and reward you all the best.
ينجو ومن بشريعة المولى حكم. نعم الإله على العباد كثيرة، لكنما دين الهدى أغلى النعم. لكنما دين الهدى أغلى النعم. يا رب فاحفظ